this the easiest solar panel installation in the world. For a fast and easy installation, I'm going to be using Raouli Black. First, we'll open the roof. Next, we'll attach it to the rafter. Then, we'll close the roof. Next, we'll do the same thing here. As you can see, no need to modify the tile. Instead of 20 minutes, this whole thing took a couple minutes. This is where the magic happens. All you got to do is click it. And now the same for the top part. Then it's time to adjust it to the right position. Next, it's time for the double lock. Now it will stay in place. Time to screw the end clamps in. Time to put the solar panel in place. And attach. Time for the earthing plates, and then the middle clamp. Time for another panel. Then we tighten the middle clamp. And that's how it's done.